Today I'm making cordon bleu my way. First, I butterflied it, hit it with my mallet with this just to flatten it a little bit. And then I'm seeing Green Goddess from Trader Joe's. I'm only seasoning one side because I'm going to be wrapping it in bacon instead of doing the breaded side. I'm not going to do that. I just added some ham, and this is rosemary ham. I think I got this Costco. You can use the ham of your choice. I had that, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to add some of my cheese. This cheese is garlic and herbs, which is why, again, I didn't add a lot of seasoning to this. You can leave the cheese out if you don't want cheese. Now I'm going to get ready to wrap them with bacon. And okay, guys, so I went ahead and wrapped this one. Now, you will want to cut enough of this, even if you have extra, because you don't want to have to do like I did here. I had to put 2 separate strings to tie it up. And what I did was, excuse me, I used 2 pieces of bacon going this way and 1 going this way. I also, when I wrapped the chicken, I went this way, vertically. I didn't go this way because it would have made it hard for the chicken to actually bend. So go and work with the chicken itself, how it naturally wants to roll. That's what you want to do. So you can see here, that's what I did. Now I'm going to get ready to wrap this one. So now they're ready and they're all set to go in the air fryer later on. I'm going to put them in the fridge since I have cheese and whatnot in there. But important, when you put it in the air fryer, don't put it too high. You want it to air fry it at a lower temperature to ensure that it doesn't get burnt too fast and your chicken gets cooked all the way. Also, you can see that I have a twist here, went this way, another twist. So make these, you can find at the grocery store or online also. They use these to wrap pasteles. So if you're used to wrapping pasteles, this is how I wrap these, okay? I'll bring you back whenever I get ready to put them in the air. Okay, so I preheated my Ninja. Now I'm gonna add the food. I'll actually add this stuff in it. And I'm going to check and see what the heat contents is of this, because I don't want it to cook really fast. So I want it to cook nice and slow. So I want everything inside. Oh, I can't get this off, sorry. I want everything inside to be fully cooked but not dry. So I'm gonna close this. It's gonna be 20 minutes, but let me see my temperature gauge to see. It's 3 something, so I wanna bring it down to like, I'm gonna do 300. Okay, so now it ended at 20 minutes at 325, I think it was. No, at 300 is what we had it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set it again. I'm gonna turn it off so I can reset it. And I'm gonna go with, and then I'm gonna turn it on at 390. That's gonna be 20 minutes again. So you're looking at a total about 40 minutes or so. So that's what we want. I just want to make sure that it's cooked nice inside but not dry. Right now what we're getting ready to do is to give it that crispiness on the outer side. As you can see, we're almost like almost 5 minutes into the second round. I can smell the bacon. I don't want it to be burned. So I'm going to take a look at it. You see what we have? At this point, I'm going to turn it around. And in between, every 5 minutes, I'll turn it around so everything is nice and even. Okay, I'm gonna turn this one over. You see that? So this can get really nice also, just like the top side. So you're gonna do this every 5 minutes. Just come back and turn it around in your air fryer so everything is nice and even. Check once again. Look at that. That looks beautiful. And I'm gonna just turn it again. Okay, I think it is done. If we go anymore, it's gonna get too crispy. So I'm gonna turn it off. So we did like a total of 35 minutes, I guess. I'm going to open one up just so that you can see what it's going to look like. I'll cut one open. Don't forget to cut your strings off. But this is, look at how juicy this is. And it's done. Done, done, done. I can't wait to try it. And it's fully cooked. We're all done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up.